if you're still looking for something to give to Mom this Mother's Day weekend. Sewing and craft expert Denise Wild is back with some handcrafted ideas that come from the heart. Denise, what can we make, Mom?
Good morning. Yes, you know what? Something that's made from the heart is always just a little bit more special. So I have some fun ideas, starting with this secret message flower that you can make, and then write inside a little special message to Mom, like best mom ever. So this is just done using some cardstock, any colorful paper, and also white paper. You're going to cut out a flower, one of the colorful paper, one of the white paper. And then you glue those two together. So you have the colorful flower on the top, but only glue the center. Then you can put a picture of yourself in the center, or write a little message in the center. Tape on a giant popsicle stick on the back. You can cut out a little leaf, and then you can handwrite messages under each one of the petals for Mom to discover later. And this is just such a great handmade gift for any mother figure in your life.
And how old do you think a child needs to be able to make what you just made there? It looks so cute.
Well, it depends on if they're making it by themselves or if you're helping them. So maybe dad's helping, or maybe the other parent is helping, maybe the teacher's helping. So, kids as young as, 2 can even help with the glue and help with putting everything together.
Awesome. Denise, I see you have some bath salts there. Maybe a little spa day for Mom.
Yes, exactly. Okay, what does Mom love more than time by herself? So what we can do is put together a little Pamper Me Kit, get a basket, fill it with all of her favorite things that she can enjoy in the bath, and then include a little card for a night out. So promise to leave her alone and head out for the night. That way she can have some time by herself. I also included in this basket 2 products from Dr. Teal's Black Elderberry collection. It combines pure Epsom salt, which is known to revitalize tired muscles, with antioxidant-rich elderberry, plus vitamin D and essential oils. It smells amazing, and it's perfect for relaxing and helping boost and renew the body. So give her this little basket and promise that you'll leave her alone for a whole night. And do the dishes and laundry before you leave.
And Denise, if you do want to buy something for your mom but want to add a little personal touch, how can you do that?
Absolutely. So tying a bow, a perfect bow, there are a few tricks to that. You can put your store-bought present inside, but a couple things you're going to look for. First is a ribbon with wire. Now that wire helps you to shape and mold the ribbon. And then you want to look for a really thick, durable ribbon too. The thicker, the better. Look for one that's wired. And here I am wrapping that beautiful box. What you can do at the end, I'll show you when we get to that in the video, but cutting the ends is really ideal or perfect for, getting that nice crisp finish. So just give it a nice tie. And then when you have that wire inside your ribbon, that's what lets you help to shape the bow and makes it really perfect. So then you fold the ends in half and then give it a cut at an angle with a really, really sharp pair of scissors. That gives you that perfect little definition in the edge. And of course, a new fragrance is always a welcome gift. This is the Chloe signature scent, which is a beautiful, fresh, feminine fragrance. It's got classic rose with hints of peony, lychee, and springtime freesia. Also subtle touches of amber and cedarwood. It's just divine, and it's available at Sephora.
Beautiful. Great gift ideas to add that personal touch. Denise Wild, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you so much. I'll post the videos on my Instagram at @me Denise Wild.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.